colleague definition, colleague in a sentence, colleague pronunciation, colleague meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of colleague. 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 Colleague as a noun means a person you work with, or a person you associate with in a common project. Common usages in academic writing: a work colleague, a colleague of mine, my former colleague, I'd like to thank my colleague. Example sentences: colleague, noun. Many participants expressed a desire to know more about their colleagues' personal lives. Example sentence number 2, Mr. Smith's former colleagues described him as aggressive, impatient, and rude. Please write a sentence using colleague in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you know colleague's pronunciation, colleague's meaning, and how to use colleague in a sentence. I'll see you in the next research paper word video.